Máximo. Hello.
Hello.
How much sleep did you get last night? Woo! Hardcore. Hardcore captain.
It's time to leave La Cruz. We're heading south, continuing on our journey to Barra de Navidad, but we have some stops in between, and we're excited to go explore them. Before we left La Cruz, we became aware of the construction project in Chamela. They're building a new Malecon, including a new marina, as well as a commercial pier, and I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's all complete. Here's a good perspective of how crazy it can be to land the drone on the boat. The drone, of course, is hovering completely still. This is the boat moving in the swell of the ocean.
Oh yeah.
I think it is just an iPhone thing.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I don't have an iPhone.
I don't think he has an iPhone.
Linda, what is your analysis of Chamela? Darren?
Scott has an iPhone.
I think it's very beautiful. I think it's well worth a visit. Be interested to come back next year.
See the marina and the Malecon they're building?
Looking forward to doing a little snorkeling.
Yes.
I don't even remember how to do it on iPhone.
It looks like a FBI thing.
Secret,
I can't really see you guys, but that's the screen. It's like 1 inch by 1 inch, so you never really know.
Is that a GoPro?
It isn't. It's a DJI Osmo. It's a stabilized camera.
Yes, nice.
Yeah, it's my go-to thing.
This is. I'm excited to go to Paraiso.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Yeah.
It was funny, that other boat was telling me, they're like, I don't know if you're going to like it here. Just because of more the concern was of the construction, that they were like, I heard the construction goes on all night.
This construction project went on 24 hours a day. As soon as the sun went down, the lights came on and they continued to work. And in the end, this caused us to cut our time short in Chamela and head to the next place.
Thanks for watching.